everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about antonyms and how to use them in sentences. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. For example, fast and slow, small and big. Here are a few more examples of antonyms: achieve, fail, giant, dwarf, random, specific, afraid, confident, gloomy, cheerful, rigid, flexible, ancient, modern, individual, group, shame, honor, arrive, depart, innocent, guilty, simple, complicated, arrogant, humble, knowledge, ignorance, single, married, attack, defend, liquid, solid, sunny, cloudy. Happy and sad are antonyms. Sentences: Gina lost her ball, so she became very sad. Her grandmother found the ball for her, and Gina became happy again. Happy and sad are antonyms. Hot and cold are also antonyms. Let's look at some sentences. Mike decided to eat an ice cream because it was too hot. James decided to bundle up because it was too cold. Hot and cold are antonyms. Fast and slow are also antonyms, and here's a few sentences. Maxine was a fast runner. She loved to run and listen to music at the same time. Gina didn't like running. She walked slowly while listening to music. Fast and slow are antonyms. Old and young are antonyms. Juana's grandmother is 95 years old. Juana is 90 years younger than her grandmother. Old and young are antonyms. They are opposites. Long and short are antonyms because they are opposites. Here's a few sentences. Alana has short arms compared to her elder brother. Alex has long arms, unlike Alana, whose arms are shorter. Healthy and unhealthy are also opposites. They are antonyms. Let's look at some sentence examples. Gina isn't feeling very well. She is feeling unhealthy. Alana is feeling very healthy, and she went out to the park to play with her friends after school. Opposites. Dirty and clean are also opposites. They are also antonyms. And let's look at some sentence examples. Mike got dirty while playing at the park. Selena did not get dirty at the park because she decided to watch the others while they played. Opposites. Dirty and clean are antonyms because they are opposites. Big and small are also opposites. They are antonyms. The students love to play with the big beach ball. The older boys love to play with the small soccer ball. Full and empty. James went to the local farmer's market and picked a basket full of apples. Juan did not find any fresh apples at the orchard. He left with an empty basket. Opposites. Full and empty are opposites. They are antonyms. Noisy and quiet are also opposites. Jeff was being so noisy that his sister couldn't do her homework. Jane wanted peace and quiet to do her homework. Closed and open are also opposites. Let's look at some sentence examples. Unexpectedly, Juan's grandmother came across a closed treasure chest. Juan's aunt decided to open the treasure chest, and boy, was she surprised. Wet and dry. All of a sudden, out of nowhere, it began to rain cats and dogs. Luckily for Juana, she had an umbrella. She was able to keep herself dry. James, however, was not that lucky, and he got very wet from the rain. Poor James. Again, wet and dry are opposites. They are antonyms. Danger and safety are also opposites. Bad and good are opposites and they are antonyms. Maria felt bad about tipping the flower pots over. Gina said, "Don't worry, Maria, it's all good." During the day, the sun shines so brightly. During the night, the stars shine brightly. Day and night are opposites. Are you ready to go over a few more antonyms? Then what are you waiting for? Let's go. Light and dark are opposites. They are antonyms. Soft and hard are antonyms. Strong and weak are antonyms. Outside and inside are antonyms. Hungry and full are antonyms. Same and different are antonyms. In today's lesson, we learned about antonyms and how to use them in sentences. I hope this video was helpful, and I also hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching and learning with me. Bye-bye.